In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your work, achievements, and talents directly to potential employers or connections. We'll walk through this step by step, so get comfortable, and let's dive in. First, you need to log in to your LinkedIn account. Head over to LinkedIn's homepage and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Me icon, usually represented by your profile picture if you've added one. Give that button a click. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Find the View Profile option in this menu and select it. This action will take you to your own LinkedIn profile page where you can start making the portfolio updates. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. You can typically locate it underneath your profile picture or summary section. Clicking on this button will reveal various options for sections you can add. From the list of options, choose the Add Featured option. Your featured section is a prominent space on your profile where you can highlight media, links, articles, or posts that you are most proud of. Next, on the Featured section page, you'll see a plus symbol. Click it to add new items to your featured section. This is where you can give life to your portfolio by adding links to projects, articles, or any other work you want to show. Once you've clicked the plus button, you'll need to select Add a Link from the available options. This step allows you to enter a web address for the specific work you want to showcase. It could be anything from a personal project hosted online to an article you've written. As you paste in the link, LinkedIn will prompt you to fill in some additional information. In this step, crafting a catchy title and a brief yet engaging description is crucial. This ensures that anyone viewing your profile gets a clear understanding of what each portfolio item is. It's worthwhile spending a little time here to make it impactful and professional. Finally, it's time to make everything official. Once you're satisfied with the link and information you've entered, simply hit the Save button. This step publishes your new portfolio item, making it visible to others who visit your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. You've added a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile, enabling you to showcase your professional work and achievements effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other tips and tricks to optimize your online presence.